Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install a Docker desktop on MacBook and run your first container. If you are new to Docker, it's a platform that helps developers build, ship and run applications inside lightweight isolated containers. Containers make it easy to move applications between environments from your local machine to testing and production without worrying about compatibility issues. So first, we need to check whether we have an Intel or Apple Silicon. As you can see, I have an Apple Silicon MacBook with AM4 Pro chip and macOS version 26.1. So let's open the browser and type Docker. Open the Docker website and choose Apple Silicon version. If you have an older Mac with Intel chip, installation process will be the same. Just make sure to choose the correct version. Once the download is complete, open the DMG file, drag the Docker icon into your applications folder, and give it a moment to copy the files. Now we can go to our applications and type Docker and launch it. Click Accept and choose to use the recommended settings. Docker needs permissions to install its networking tools, so it will ask for your Mac's password. Type that in and click OK. Next, Docker will ask to log in, and if we already have an account, we can log in here. If we don't, we can skip, and there is always an option to create a Docker account and log in later. So I will skip it for now. Next, it will ask to provide some information about yourself. I prefer to remain a man of mystery, so let's hit skip. That's it. We have a Docker desktop installed and ready to go. We can check exactly what version we have installed from terminal by typing docker version, and as you can see, we have a Docker version 29.0.1. Since we already have our Docker desktop running, now let's run our first container. We can always use the terminal and do this from the command line, but since it's our first time running Docker, it's much easier to do it from Docker desktop user interface. Just click on what is a container and it will run welcome to Docker container for you locally on port 8088. To make sure that it's really running, just click here and it will open the browser. Congratulations, you run your first container. Now we can go back and stop the container, and if we refresh the browser, you can see that it no longer works. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next one.